Hey everyone, thanks for joining in this lecture. Today I will be showing you how to convert your website into an Android or iOS app. So before converting, let me show you the website. This is the website which is created in WordPress and it's created by my friend who lives in India. So let me show you how the website works. So this is the sidebar where we have added our contact details and the address. This is a search where we can search for any product that we want to search. These are all the food items in categories. And this is the cart. When the products are added to the cart, you can see these. Let me try to add some products. You can see I have added 2 and 3. So we have successfully added 3 products to the cart. You can see in the cart, you can see 3 products. Aloo jeera, aloo matar and 1 liter drinking water. Let me show you how the cart works. When you click on the cart, you will be redirected to the cart page where you can add the quantity like you want and just update the cart. Once you update the cart, the total price will be changed. And once it's done, you can apply the coupon or proceed to the checkout. In the checkout section, you can see the first name, last name, and other details that are necessary for your billing. At the end, you will be able to see your order details and you can pay via cash or any other payment that you want to add in your website. So this is the website named as Apna Dhaba. So let me show you what are the requirements that are needed for making an app. Website link. So this is, wait, no. Let me go to the home page. So this is the website link that we will be taking for the app making. Okay, so this is the first requirement. Second will be app icon. When you see an app, you have to add an app icon. And the third will be website name. So in this example, Apna Dhaba is the app name. So we have got all the requirements which are mandatory for the app. So let's start with Android app and later we can start with the iOS app making. In the next lecture, I will be starting with Android app making.